Είναι πολλά. Ναι, παιδί. Εντάξει, είχε. What's up, guys? Today we are installing the full exhaust Akrapovic system on this R1 2023. We have to remove all the fairings. We have to remove the previous version of Akrapovic. This is the Evolution series with inox headers. We are going to uninstall it. We are going to make a comparison with the full titanium SBK exhaust. And so here we are. We have the SBK full exhaust system. This is the muffler for the SBK at the left side. This is the muffler for the Evolution series Akrapovic, which is stainless steel. You see the differences. This is a used one, stainless steel exhaust headers, and this is titanium. Now we can see the differences at the pipes coming out from the head. This is a pipe 48, 48.5, and this one is 44.2. 0.3. 45, 42, it's 3 millimeters different at the pipes. Here we see it's 52 millimeters, and this one is 48 millimeters. 4 millimeters difference, but here we see it's the same. It's 60 millimeters. It's the same millimeters at the exhaust. So the only differences are at the pipes. You see they are bigger diameter, and the length of the pipe is bigger from the SBK exhaust. The other thing we see as differences is these parts which came with the SBK. It's a part CNC machined. This is where these stacks will go. You see, this stacks has a specific design to help exhaust pass through the pipes here like this. Check this one. You see? This is the right spot where the air comes straight. Okay, and this is where I bolt on the pipes. So we are ready. Exhaust installed. SBK, Akrapovic, full titanium. First start, cold start. Let's hear the sound of the beauty. What's up, guys? Yesterday we installed the exhaust, the Akrapovic full system titanium from SBK, and today we're going to test it because yesterday the weather was very bad. It was a rainy day, but today it's a sunny day. It's a day for R1. Let's make the first cold start. The differences you can see is the hanger, it's a carbon fiber. The muffler goes higher and it's a bigger, the bolts are bigger. You see the headers, we couldn't fit them in the stock parts. We have to wait for the belly pan to cover them, and let's go.